Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Well, we're not in downtown Paphos, we're up the road a little bit, and we're on an area called Tomb of the Kings, a great area to come on a holiday, because the reason for this video is to make a very special personal video for some very special people. If you want to know who it is, let's introduce you to Ms. Ochin Grasiva-Lebouf, and she's going to tell you what it's all about. Grasiva-Lebouf.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again. Today is the most especially for you video. Miss Anne and Mr. Paul Varndell. This video is especially for you. Just smile.
So stick with us as we storm the main reception area of that hotel, which is the Kafalos Damon Hotel.
Kafalos.
How do you say it?
Your godfather, Kafalos.
I'll rename it. Kafalos Damon Hotel in downtown Kato, Tomb of the Kings. We're going to have a look around it and see what's going on. Wish us luck, and hopefully we don't get thrown out. We don't mind getting thrown out. We find it quite funny. So we don't mind getting accosted by anybody. Stick with us. And Paul, you can have a great time. Stick with us, here we go. So you've got your own mini market and souvenir shop. So if you want a nice hat, that's where you go. You've got some flip-flops, you've got sun lotion, you've got cans of Coke, you've got travel guides, and you've got books that you can buy, which are second-hand. There we are. So if you like a good read, pop them €2 in a tin and you get a nice book. Look at those flip-flops. And one of my favourite things, if you're going to go down the beach, get you some of them. They are called the beach shoes or sea shoes. It stops your little feet getting cut off. Anyway, let's follow the rear end of Grasiva-Lebouf. There she goes. We're going to storm this reception. Stick with us. Here we go. Quite a nice reception indeed, to be honest. Look at that. They've got the Mamma Mia restaurant. They've got the Divine Peak restaurant. There's a lot of restaurants outside that we're going to take you and have a look at afterwards. Have a look at that. Very nice. Look at the restaurant over there. So this is the main area, and of course that's the DJ's point. So at night time they've got lots and lots of things going on here. Nice little cafeteria bar in here. Have a look. Talking a bit quieter because, well, there's a receptionist over there watching us. Oh, look at that. So that's a nice bar area that operates at night time. Because I know someone else who stayed here a couple of months ago, and they said it was a great hotel. Very family orientated, very friendly, and of course, pop out any of these doors and you are on Tomb of the Kings. Restaurants, bars, cafes everywhere. Wrong, Grasiva-Lebouf. Let's follow that rear end. Here we go. Bit of music playing in the background. There is the pool area. Great pool indeed. Now stick with us. We are going to work our way around because obviously that's going to give us a copyright strike and YouTube just doesn't like it. There's the open air bar outside. So if you fancy a tequila, a nice latte, or something a bit weaker like a Coca-Cola like me, that's where you go. That is the great swimming pool area. There's a lot of people having a great time, and you're surrounded by restaurants. I mean restaurants. There's restaurants absolutely everywhere. You've got the Mamma Mia restaurant. You've got another restaurant down here which belongs to them, and it's called the Peak Divine. Stick with us. We're going to go and have a look and get you out to the Tomb of the Kings area and show you where the party is going to begin. Grasiva?
You know, I noticed that these hotel apartments are divided on blocks because I can see one A, B, C, D blocks by the numbers.
Yes, they are. That's right. It's a hotel apartment complex, and there are several blocks, as you can see. Have a look at that. Quite a big development in downtown Kato, Tomb of the Kings, and on the 5th floor over here you've got the Divine Peak restaurant. So through that door, up in the lift, up to that top floor, and you get a great view. Let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look. Follow the rear end of Grasiva-Lebouf. Because we understand that that restaurant, if it's open, is going to have a great view because it's on the 5th floor, and right in front of us is the blue Mediterranean Sea. I'm dressed head to toe in blue. The sky is blue, the sea is blue. All that's missing is
you, of course.
So Anne, Paul, get yourself on a big bird or in a canoe and start paddling like crazy. Grasiva-Lebouf's having a dance. Here we go. Let's get in the lift, Grasiva-Lebouf. Where is it? 5th. Well, it only says 4. Perhaps you have to walk the last flight. Who knows? Anyway, there we go. We're going up. So, Grasiva, what's your opinion?
Should we make 4 + 1 5?
Grasiva's maths is improving. hopefully the 4th floor is the 5th floor. I don't know.
How can
Or
it be
perhaps we
false?
have to walk a flight of stairs to get to see that great view.
Well, I don't mind to walking upstairs on my foot, but I'm waiting.
Όροφος 4th floor.
There we go.
Οι
There we go.
πόρτες ανοίγουν. Doors opening.
Oh, we've arrived. Oh, look at that. This is the raised terrace that looks to the internals of the hotel. Have a look at that. So that is the Tomb of the Kings area. Just over there, you've got McDonald's. You've got various cafes and restaurants and all sorts going on. There's the main foyer entrance cafe. There's your Mercedes convertible parked up. And as I come round, have a look at that. What a great, great view. You'd swear it was a drone view. But of course, we're not that clever. We don't actually understand how to operate a drone or how to edit. So have a look at that again. There's some people in the pool having a great, great time. Young lady with her husband next to us has spotted us. They're smiling and they're having a great, great holiday. That is for sure. I wonder if this door is going to be open. Probably not. But let's have a quick look because you never know. Shame. But that's a very nice looking restaurant indeed. And again, out that back window, I can see the Paphos Skywalk. So that means when the camera was to go that way, that means you get to see the blue Mediterranean Sea. So I suggest, even if you're not staying in this hotel, to come and have a look at this restaurant because the view is going to be to die for. Beautiful lift as well. Let's follow the rear end of receiving on the booth. Let's get down to Tomb of the Kings. Let's show the people some of the views. Look at that. Wow. Very, very nice indeed. There's the pool area again as we wait for the lift. Here we go. I think it's arrived. This is the problem when you're waiting for lifts. Time ticks away, ticks away. We are trapped, but luckily there's nobody up here. Look at that view again. Straight up into the mountains of Armu and Tala, round to downtown Paphos. The lift has arrived, so Gracie Booth tells me, but it hasn't.
It has.
It has. Here we go. Luckily there wasn't a manager in there waiting for us. Let's get back down.
With a big
Stick
stick.
with us. We're going to get down to ground floor, have another wander. This is a slow operating lift. Lovely lift, but very slow operating. If you understand, we are on an adrenaline rush because we can be called and stopped at any time. Receivia? Uh-oh.
No.
Receivia is
one-
now...
Oh.
Oh, breathe in. We're on camera. There we are. Do the pose. Strike the pose. There we are. Thank you very much. Give the camera back to me. There we are. Let's follow the rear end.
Οι πόρτες ανοίγουν. Doors
There
opening.
we go. So we're back out. That's hotel rooms, Gracie booth. So we're back out to the main pool area. We'll take you and give you a quick look, and then we'll wander out through the Mamma Mia restaurant, which is just over there. So you understand now there's plenty of things going on in this area, from rooftop restaurants to ground floor restaurants to great pools and to great bars. Have one last look before we exit the building. And yet again, we've been very, very lucky indeed. Mamma Mia restaurant coming up. I think you're understanding the location of this hotel complex is absolutely wonderful because, just so you understand, Tomb of the Kings area, if you've not been here before, stick with us. We're going out on another entrance out onto the main Tomb of the Kings Avenue or road. You've got the King's Aphrodite restaurant across the road, and you've got restaurant after restaurant, bar after bar, gift shop after gift shop, hire car company after hire car company. Have a look at that. You've got a Tea for Two restaurant just up there after the King's Hotel. You've got a 24-hour ATM, and if you walk that away for less than 5 minutes, you're going to come to the downtown Cato Paphos Mall, and that mall is a very, very good mall indeed. Air conditioned, sells everything you could want. Definitely worth the 5-minute walk, and there's restaurants absolutely everywhere. If you like jerk chicken, there's a restaurant just opened over there. There's the Aphrodite restaurant. There's an ice cream parlour. It's restaurant after restaurant after restaurant. Receive the leverage.
Did I understand well? This Mamma Mia restaurant belongs to the hotel, so residents and non-residents can come and
Correct.
visit this
Correct.
restaurant.
Correct.
So that's
and
where,
the Divine Peak.
all right, and that's where the breakfasts and dinners going on, and lunches or not.
Well, I'm not sure. I think there's an internal smaller restaurant area. If you are all-inclusive, that's where you would eat. Perhaps you're allowed to eat here one night a week, one afternoon a week. I don't know. But these restaurants are run and managed by the Damon Beach Hotel. and it's a very, very well established business. It's been going for a long time. Hold on a minute. Cassidia LaBouffe has found a restaurant that's open. We're going to pop in and have a good look round and look at that. Let's see if we can get the back end. Wow, absolutely spectacular. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful restaurant indeed. I don't know if we get out this way. I think we can, so stick with us. We are back to the pool area. This is a great, great hotel indeed. There's no doubt about that. Cassidia. Right, so we're back to the pool area and we're back round to the main road. So there we are. So you understand you can exit them, enter them, all different angles. You're never far away from something exciting. And the Paphos Mall, as I keep saying to you, is 5 minutes that way. You want to go to watch the archaeological site of Tomb of the Kings. That's that away. Less than 10 minutes, but a little bit more than 5. Anyway, that's it. Thank you very, very much. If there's somewhere you'd like us to go, let us know. Drop your names in, children, your dog, your cat, and off we will go. And Paul, you're gonna have a great, great holiday. Thanks for watching.
Anne and Paul, I would like to tell you that I'm more than sure when you arrived you will enjoy the holidays, you will enjoy your stay, because as Mr. Paul said, the direction, the situation of the restaurants and cafes and everything you need, and mall, Kings Avenue Mall is nearby, so it's a very, very convenient place to be. Thank you very much for watching. Anne and Paul, happy stay again, and we're loving you to bits. Don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses.
Thanks for watching. Hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness. I'll leave you with love you.